So, hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to handcuff hair. Yeah, but this time it's going to be like personal. It's just going to be me, okay? So, if you give me ideas of who to do it on, I will inform you if I want to do it. Only for them, obviously. So we're gonna. So first the lock actually. So this is a pen lock. So basically a pen lock is like there's a pen and a lock. So the pen is here. It's here, pen, and the lock is this yellow, super yellow thing there. Yeah, it's not on, and you lock it in that hole to both of it. Okay. So now the handcuffs. Well, they're pretty simple, really. Like it's real simple because it's locked thing at the moment. Soon open. Okay. And it's, you open it by that bit and pull it down. Yeah. So click like that. This bit is a bit the sharp one, and that bit's the soft bit. Okay. When you hear that click, you've fully locked it. You've locked it so they can't get out unless they're clever enough to pull that. So we're gonna show you now. This technique is called the rim technique. It's where you do it to rim like that, and it goes down like that. So, and it's pretty hard to get into the thing, but done it. Okay, and then we're gonna lock it first before we do to the next one. So there and there, done. I can't get out of that. And shim one again. And let's lock that one now. So do it the same as we did the first one and plonk. I've done that. Didn't know if you could do that, but I did. And inhale, officially home. So that's it. That's that. So how to unhandcuff? I use a pen bit because that's the easy bit. The unhandcuff is there. There's a turn, pull that bit. That bit what I said, yeah. And then do the same to that one. Turn, pull the same. So that's basically how you handcuff. I hope you enjoy it, and hope you comment ideas what I could do for my next video. Thank you and goodbye. Bye.